It's about to start it. So it's doing all this math and figuring out if the plate's level. Oh look, it's got a little poop. Got a little poop. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that's a big one. We call it plastic poop. Yeah, it was a big one. So that cleans it out so it doesn't have the black color. So now it's just only blue. Man, it's got to go again. This one's bigger than ever. It's still going.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's give us a flush. There it goes. God, that was a big one. Oh, now it's finally working. Look. So it's going to do Leonardo first.
Finally, it's working. Now it's changing to blue.
Well, it was blue before,
And
but I think it's going to change it to green. There it goes. It's green.
yeah.
It's like an old tube of toothpaste. It's got to squeeze the blue stuff out first.
And spit on that thing.
It almost pooped on you. Ooh, that looks cool. All right, we got some magnets. I'm gonna do one, you do the other. We're just gonna put it right in here. Go ahead. All right, and now we're gonna resume printing. So now it's gonna print over top of it. You can start to see it now.
It's starting to come out pretty well now.
Yeah. And like we got the magnets in there right where the eyes are. All right, how's it looking?
3%.
73% done. Oh, 75% done now. It's looking real cool. We got the poop chute for cleanup. That means it's done. Go for it.
For some reason, my switch isn't working.
All right.
Oh, now it is. Wait.
Well, it's supposed to go the other way. It's pretty cool.